how it is. Let's try some Afghan food. We had a long journey. Today we started in Luxembourg in the beautiful hotel with nice breakfast, and then we enjoyed for many hours than we thought in Luxembourg city. Mashallah, very great city and good people, nice people, happy people. And then we went through Brussels, and now we arrived in Antwerpen. Antwerpen, a city with a lot of Afghans. Mashallah. Assalamu alaikum wa tanzar. Kujam e bari kadar. So a lot of Afghans here. Now it's about 8:30, and we will enjoy some dinner here at Afghan Mazar restaurant. Okay, Habiba? Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Delta, people. Delta. Tagay chutori amigo. Hop, hop, hop. Kazi. So just park the car here and we'll enjoy some Afghan food in Mazar restaurant. Let's do it. So let's try one chipli kebab and mantu. Sanga da gordo mukhan swazili di. Face is burned. Ma karar. Look at that sunshine. Tarak totally jo upar na. Ahmad. Kasi chida ukro. I really love okra, lady fingers, someone call it. Let's taste their okra. Bismillah. Delicious, mashallah. Now let's taste their chutney kebab, how it is. Mashallah, really tasty. No matter what, Afghan food is Afghan food. Best in the world. Alhamdulillah. Let's try now the Uzbeki pulao. During all the Europe tour, this is the best meal I have got. MashaAllah. everything was very tasty and delicious. The only thing needed to be tasted is the mantou. Let's try it. Bismillah. Excellent, mashallah.
Love this morning breeze, love how it can revive my soul. I'm so glad to be surrounded by the people I know, filled with happiness. Just wanna give my all and be all that I can be. Share all my love and energy, yeah. Many things that I can do, many things, yeah, that can make me feel so close to you. Do you remember within my heart when I'm loving, 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 loving you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, every day's a good day. I put my life in your hands, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, every day's a good day. I give my life to you, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, I love this morning breeze, love how it can revive my soul. I'm so glad to be surrounded by the people I know, filled with happiness. Just wanna give my all and be all that I can be. Share all my love and energy, yeah. Many things that I can do, many things, yeah, that can make me feel so close to you. Do you remember within my heart when I'm loving, 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 loving you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, every day's a good day. I put my life in your hands, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, every day's a good day. I give my life to you, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, I love this morning breeze, love how we get